I felt so unworthy of you, of society, of anything. I couldn't do anything. When you feel really unworthy about who you are, there's so many subtle ways it shows up, and only until you feel like this for so many years do you see how deep it goes. Because I started to self-sabotage myself. I started to not do what I know I needed to do, procrastinate. Every time I did something, I was a perfectionist. Then that would lead to isolation, loneliness, depression, and you would feel, or I certainly felt, that you're just trapped in this cycle because everything you do is related to your identity of who you believe you are. And this is also in our current environment, the society we've built that praises money, cleverness, what else? Just resilience and all these things that you don't feel like they're a part of you. And that doesn't even take into account your childhood and your upbringing. And so when you factor everything in, you really start to feel like you're not enough as a human being. And that leads to a very, very dark and dangerous cycle. And I broke free from that. And the reason and how I broke free from that, it was because I realized an ultimate truth that I dived into philosophy to try to find an answer, if I'm honest with you. And I found that us as human beings, one argument is that we are already whole. Exclude the society, exclude our upbringing, but as we are, as a soul or as an essence, or however you please to say that sentence, we are whole. And because of that, because we are whole beings, everything that has happened is not who we truly are. So the goal of life is to go back to the original stage of who we were. It's a remembering, essentially, taking off the heavy cloaks of life. And it's like that analogy of the light in the, like a candle light under heavy cloaks. That's life, and your job is to remove it so you can find the light again. That is essentially what life is about.